Hello students. Till now we have studied about various types of number systems, and we also seen how we can form our decimal number system and how we can convert each number system into another number system. And at the last lecture, that is lecture number 4, I also told you how you can generate your own number system. All right. So, but now from this lecture we will be having main focus on the binary numbers because the computer uses mostly the binary numbers. Okay. Also other number systems are also being used by the computer system, but at the machine level binary numbers are used, okay, to represent any number, any instruction given to the computer by the user. All right. So in this context, there are some binary arithmetic. Okay, just like you have performed addition and subtraction, like when you were in the kindergarten or you were in the class first or during the schoolings, the very first thing told in the mathematics is numbers that we have already discussed. But now we will talk about the arithmetic. What arithmetic means? That the operations involved in a mathematics. Okay, just like first addition, that is the very basic operation, addition. Then what is second? That is subtraction. Okay. Then what is it? Multiplication. Okay, multiplication. And then we will have the division. All right, these are some basic four arithmetic operations. Okay, so I think you already knew about these two terms. Okay, these four terms. Sorry, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. I don't think I should take on this, but let me move forward. Okay, so here we will be discussing about the binary numbers. All right, we'll be discussing about binary numbers, not arithmetic. Okay, we will not discuss about arithmetic, but we will discuss about binary. But you have to remember the arithmetic one to understand this concept, understand the concept of binary numbers. Okay, so very first we will discuss about the addition. Okay, addition. Okay, so in the addition operation, all right, the addition operation, what we are going to see. So can you guess what we are going to do? Okay, so there are some rules, just like in the normal arithmetic operations, there are some rules. Okay, and like that, we have also rules in the binary addition also, and not only in binary addition, but in all these four operations. Okay, but firstly, talking about addition operation, let me just show the rules to you. I'm explaining to you. Okay, so the very first rule. Okay, so first of all, let me remind you the binary numbers consists only of the digits zeros and ones. Okay, so we will be having only these two digits. Okay, so when there is 0 plus 0, it will always result in 0. Okay, this represent a single bit and this also represent a single bit. Okay, okay, let first of all, let me know in the comment box that do you know about the concept of bits, bytes, and all? Okay, please pause the video, and if you know, then comment in the comment box. Okay, otherwise, now let me tell you concept of bits. Okay, each single entity or each single digit in a binary number system is known as bits. Okay, so what does this bits do? Okay, it represents a single entity. All right, what is byte? Let me first explain you byte. Okay, byte is collection of 8 bits. Okay, 8 bits. So when you are given a byte, then it is collection of 8 bits. Okay, so for example, just take this. it's empty one. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, so we can fill any number but only zeros and ones. Okay, 0 1 2, sorry, not 2, it's it's 0, it can be 0 1 0 1 1. Okay, so this whole segment represents one byte. Why? Because it consists of 8 bits. Okay, there is one more concept. Okay, when we divide this byte into equal halves, then how many bits here? 4 bits. Okay, and this how many bits here? 4 bits. 4 bits. Then collection of 4 bits. What collection of 4 bit is known as nibble? Nibble, nibble. Okay, so from now, whenever you asked by someone that it is what is nibble, then you can say that it is collection of 4 bits. Okay, so now I think you have understood till now. So let me move forward towards our topic, arithmetic addition in binary numbers. Okay, so first rule you have to remember that when there is 0 and addition with 0, okay, then there is the result is always 0. Then in what is second rule? If we add 0 with 1, okay, when we add 0 with 1, then it will always give 1. Okay, all right, I think you have understood. Then third, what third rule? What if this bit changes to 1? Okay, and this bit changes to 0? Then it's a combination. All right, I you know, and these are some combinations. Okay, so what will you get? You get 1. Okay, and when the last rule is the most important rule. Okay, when you get 1 and then add to 1, then you will get result as 1, but a carry of 1 also. Carry of 1. Okay, so now let me explain you with an example. Okay, so you will get better understanding of this. Okay, so you are given two binary numbers, that is 1 0 0 1 and base 2, and you have to add it with 1 0 1. All right, so what you are going to do now is 2. Okay, so first check the number of bits here. Okay, there are 4 bits. First write it down. Okay, sorry, let me give some space to explain it to you. Then 1 0 1. All right, and what is the next number? 1 0 1. Okay, so here are some bit difference, but in case of addition it will not affect, but still from the beginning we should habitual of adding an extra 0. Okay, so this will not affect this number because zeros in the left side of any number don't affect the number of bits or the value. All right, so here 1 and in addition to 1. So 1, what is the rule 4 say? 1 and 1, it gives 1, and it will carry on 1. So it will pass on a carry to the next one. This one. Now add 1 and 0. What you will get? 1 with no carry. And then add this 1 to this 0. Get 1. All right. So now what you will get here? You will get no carry. So no carry forward here. Now add these two. You get 1. And then what? You add these two. You will get 1. All right. So this is the result of this binary arithmetic addition. Uh, okay. So now here there is some mistake here also. In this rule, what is said that when 1 plus 1 occurs, okay, then it will become 0. All right. Sorry for my mistake. Okay. Please rewind the video and correct it. So Here also you will get 0, but you will get an and get a extra bit, that is carry bit, to the left of the remaining number. Okay, so what is the result? This is the result. See, 111. Okay, now let me tell you the way to verify it. Okay, so do you know how to convert this to arithmetic number and this also? So convert this to arithmetic number. So I guess it is 1, 2, 4, and 8. Okay, 8 plus 1, 9. Okay, when you add 9 into 101, that is 4 and that is 5, what it will give? It will give 14. And write the binary number for 14. What you will get? Combination of these three and this bit 0. 1, 1, 1 and 0. See, we have got this one. Okay, so always, and so you can verify, or easily you have, when you have to convert these numbers, first convert this into arithmetic, then convert this to arithmetic, and then uh, find the sum, and then convert this into binary format. It is easy, but when you have to show your calculations, then you have to follow this method. All right, I think you have understood till now. Okay, so this is the result, this is the complete process, this is the shortcut. Okay, so I'm giving you assignment question. Okay, this is your assignment question. You have to add, see, assignment question. Okay, so this is assignment question. See what is, this is 1 and next number 1 0 0 and 1 0 plus. Okay, all right, use plus symbol here, 1 1 0 and this what, 1 1. All right, I think it's clear. And also I am giving you another type of question here. Please first write the binary format of 14, then write the binary format of number, what, I guess 6, and then perform the arithmetic addition using binary operation. Okay, what, using binary format. Okay, you have to add these two numbers and you have to get the result. Okay, these are two assignment questions on addition. All right, now moving forward. Okay, so now we have another operation, that is subtraction. Of what is subtraction? Subtraction. Okay, so ordinarily the subtraction is done by three different. Okay, we have three ways. Okay, so what is that? First is the very ordinary method, that is borrowing method, means ordinary method, which is borrowing method. Okay, borrowing. Then what we have? We have ones complement method, and during ones complement method, I will also tell you how to find ones complement. And then there is twos complement method. Twos complement method. Okay, so just taking you forward to the ordinary borrowing method. Okay, all right. So just a second, I have got some message. It's a mail. Okay, all right. So now what we are moving towards, the binary subtraction method. Okay, so here also in the borrowing method or the ordinary method, there are some rules. All right. So what will be the rules? Let me explain you. First rule is very simple. Okay, rules. Okay, for what? This ordinary borrowing method. Okay, for rules, there are rules. First rule. What is first rule? When you subtract 0 from 0, then it will result in 0, and it will not gives have some borrowing also. Okay. And then not borrowing and not carryover. Then second rule is what? When the first bit is 1 and second bit is 0, and we have to subtract second bit from first bit, that is we have to subtract 0 from 1, then it will result in 1 only with no carry or no borrowing. Okay. Then third result, when we have to subtract 1 from 0, that is 0 minus 1, then what is the rule? There is a rule that we will get 1 here, but we have to borrow from next level. And what means that we have to borrow from the left bit also. Like in addition, we have to carry over 1, then and in the subtraction we have to borrow 1. I will tell you in the question segment. Okay. Then what is the next? 1 minus 1. Then simply you will get 0 as a result and 0 as carry also. That means it has no carry or borrow. Okay. So let me explain you with an example. So for example, if we if I say what is the format of question here, what can be the format of question? Okay, so can be 1001 and 0 subtract. Okay, right here subtract this from uh, the second number is, what is the second number? Second number is this from 100101. All right. So now what we have to do? This means from means first digit will be this, first number will be this. Okay. When we will perform subtraction, first will be this, and from that we have to subtract this. That is, okay, I think it's not properly. So not this. So we have to perform first equation number minus second number. Okay. So we will write in the similar way like in the addition 101 and it's 1, and now here 0 1 0 0 1. All right. So what it presenting 1 minus 0, what is it? It is the second rule. So what we will get? 1. But here see, it is 0 minus 1. Okay, so the third rule, and the third rule we have to borrow 1. All right. So when we will subtract this from this, we will get 1, and we have to borrow 1 from left side. So this 1 will be get cancelled into 0, and it will be transferred to this, and it will give answer. It will give 1 as the solution. So now what we have, 0 minus 0, then it will give 0. Then again 0 minus 0, it will be 0. Then again rule number 3, 0 minus 1, it will give 1, and it will cancel the next one, and it will be 0. So this is the calculation. See, now like in the arithmetic operation, okay, I have told you that okay, what is it? Yeah, okay. So in the arithmetic addition operation, I have told you that you can convert these numbers into arithmetic form and then add, and then you can get the binary format easily. Okay, but this rule sometimes fails in the binary numbers because there is concept of negative and positive binary numbers. Okay, which is advanced topic. I will not cover it in this video, but uh, for this time I am just taking this example to explain you the arithmetic form. Okay, so when we will convert this into arithmetic form, what we will get? This is 1, this is 2. Always write. Don't shame that you are writing like this. Always write. It's up to you which method you are using. You have to study. Don't see that, don't bother what people are saying that you are using some basic things. Okay, it's not, it not matter. You have to, when you will have practice after doing a lot of time this, then you will come to know that how to calculate this. Okay, for the video purpose I am explaining it to you, because I think many of you are new to programming and new to these concepts, so you have to explained well by me. Okay, so what we will get, this one we have to add 1, then 4, then 32. What it will give in the result, it will give 37. And here in the left, that is second number, what we will get, we will get 4, and that is 2 plus, then it is 2 4, then it is 8, then 16, then 16 is 18. Okay, so we have to perform 37 minus 18. What we will get, tell me? 19. And what is the binary format for 19? It is 1. Okay, that is 16, 8, 4, and 2, and this one. Okay, so same result what we are getting from this. All right, I think this basic binary subtraction method is clear to you. Okay, so now for this basic differentiating method, I am giving you two assignment questions. Okay, what are these? So see, I am giving you the arithmetic numbers to subtract, so that you get practice to convert from binary to from arithmetic to binary, and also the subtraction method. So what you have to do, you have to find 50 minus 18. You have to find a 16 minus 8. All right, you have to perform these two. You have to solve it by your own on a paper, using a paper, using this method. Okay, now I have explained to you. All right, then in the next section, that I'm telling you about the ones complement. Okay, so what is ones complement? See, first of all, just remember what is ones complement. Ones complement method. Okay, what is ones complement? See, taking an example. Okay, if I take an example just like 1 0 1 0 0, sorry, should look like it's also 0, and this is 1, and we have to find ones complement. Okay, so what will be its ones complement? Okay, only change 1 into 2, sorry, 1 into 0, and zeros into ones. Okay, so what you will get when you flip these digits, so 1, then it will become 0, then 0, then it will become 1, then 0, then it will become 1, then 1, then it will become 0, then 0, then it will become 1, and then 0, then it will become 0. Okay, all right. I think you have now got the way to convert from a normal binary number to ones complement. This is ones complement of this binary number. All right. So please perform the binary ones complement of as like assignment question. Okay, please perform the binary ones complement of 1 0 1 1 1 0 0 1 1. All right. So this is only one question in this segment. Okay. So now what we, if we have to perform the subtraction. Okay. So what we have to perform now? All right. The steps. Okay. So what are the steps? So what is first step? First step is to calculate one's complement. Okay, calculate one's complement. Okay, then second is the okay, one's complement uh, of which number? This is the main question. So the ones complement of the number which is to be subtracted, that is what, if we talk about which is to be subtracted, that is the second number here. I told you that there are two numbers, that is first and second. Then we have to find the ones complement of second number. Second number, that is to be subtracted. What is to be subtracted? Okay. So I think you have understood. Then now you have to add. Okay. We have to form sum of ones complement. Okay. Ones complement what we have found in the step one. Okay. Binary number, and from which we have to subtract it, that is first number. We have to add it to that. We have to add, that is ones complement plus first number. Okay. Then what we have to perform in third step. Okay. After finding the sum, okay, the carry becomes 1. All right. Then the answer will be the positive, and the final answer will be the equal to the sum plus carry. All right. So what it means, see, I told you the concept of positive and negative numbers. So here is what. Okay. Sometimes when you subtract large number from a smaller number, that is large from small. So we get what, a negative number. Okay. So in this case also we will get this, but to represent that we will be having a convention that when we get the 1, then in the carry bit, then we will be having it positive number, and when we will be having 0, then it will be a negative number. Okay. And in that case we what, sorry, let me first explain you the third step. So what you have explained to you right now, that after finding sum, after sum, if carry become carry equals to 1, okay, then what will be this. Okay. So final answer, what will be the final answer? It will be in the positive number. First of all, what we have to remember, that it has to be positive number. All right. So we have to be positive. We will get positive number. And the second point is that when you get a carry, then you have to add again to the sum. Okay. When that is plus 1 to the sum. I will take an example. In that example, you will get to know what I am doing exactly. Okay. So if you get if the carry is not, when carry is not 1, that is we will get 0, because in binary we have only two possibilities, that is 0 and 1. So when we will not get the carry 1, so then what will be the case? Okay. In that case, okay, the answer will be not the sum. Okay, sum is not the answer. We have to perform one's complement again to the sum, then we will get the answer. Okay, I will explain you with an example. Okay, so first let me take first example. All right. So 1 0 1 0, we have to subtract this from this. All right. So in this logic, okay, what is the first rule set? What does the first rule set? Find the ones complement of second number, that is which we have to subtract. That is what we have to subtract, this number, because it is written before from, and for written and what is the number written before from is the number that has to be subtracted. Okay. So we have to find its ones complement. So ones complement of this number will be ones. Okay. What will be 0 1 0 1. All right. Then what second step says, that perform the sum with the number from which we have to subtract this number. So from which number? This number. So we have to perform addition. So 0 1, sorry, like don't write like this, write like this. 0, first write the number from which we have to subtract, and then what we have to subtract. All right, so what will be here? Addition rule, 1 and 1, it will give 0 and it will carry 1. Then 1 plus 0, it will give 1, and then this 1, it will give 1. All right, so there is no carry ahead. Then again 0 1 and 1 0, and we will get a carry here. Then 1 and 1, it will give answer 0, but it will carry ahead 1. So carry will be to what? It will carry move ahead, and it will give 0. So 0 plus 0 0, and then carry 1, so it will go down like this. All right, so I think it's clear to you right till now. All right, then see, check the third step. The carry is 1, but it is representing carry. So when carry is 1, just add this bit to this sum. Okay, remove this one and just add this. Then what you will get? 0 0 1 1. This will be your final answer. All right, if in the case when you will not get this, okay, suppose you have got this only, okay, so what does the rule 4 said? Then you have to again find the ones complement of this number, ones complement, and that will be the final result. Okay, result, what will be it? 1101. All right, I think you have understood the concept. This is generally the third step, and this is generally the fourth step. All right, till now you have understood the binary of subtraction with the help of ones complement. I'm giving you one assignment question in this. All right, let me change the pen. One assignment question. What is the assignment question? Assignment question is subtract 1110 from what? From 1011 and 2. All right, so you have to perform this. Now what is the next method? Next method is 2's complement. The 2's complement method. So 2's complement method. All right, what is in the 2's complement method? Suppose, first of all, what we have, how we can find 2's complement. Okay, just like one's complement method, first you have to find one's complement. Okay, so just for example, let me take 1011. Let me take this number. All right, so after taking this number, what we will get one's complement of it. One's complement will be 0 1 0 and 0. Okay, sorry, one's complement, it will be 0. I think the pad is not working correctly. Sorry for that. Pardon. Is 0 1 0 and 0. This is one's complement. And to form its 2's complement, just add 1 to. Okay. So when you will add 1, add it to this bit, and 0 1 0 1. This will be the 2's complement. 2's complement. Okay. I think till now you have got this one's complement and 2's complement. Okay, all right. So what is the subtraction method for 2's complement, and what is subtraction method? Okay, if I say that by 2's complement method, how you can subtract? Okay, so very first step is what? Just find 2's complement. 2's complement which is to be subtracted. That is what? Which is to be subtracted. That is second number. All right. Then step 1 this is. Then in the step 2, all right, you have to find the sum of 2's complement of the binary number and the number of and the binary number from which it has to be subtracted. See, the rule is same, just like the subtraction in using 1's complement. So sum of from number, that is first number, first, and 2's from which what we have got from this step 1. All right. See, in the third step, okay, we have to check the carry bit. If carry is 1, if carry is equals to 1, so then result is what? The sum part. The sum part. Okay, not this carry. We have to exclude carry. We have to exclude carry. Exclude. Okay. All right. So, and when there is no carry, then there is no use to perform any operation. So these are 3 steps for binary operations, binary subtraction using what? 2's complement. All right. So let's take an example. So if I take example, subtract what? Subtract this example. Subtract 1 0 1 0. All right. So subtract this from what? 1 1 0 1. All right. So this is what? This is first number. This is second number. All right. So what is step 1? Step 1 says find the 2's complement of second number. So for finding 2's complement, first we will find 1's complement. What we will get? 0 1 0 1. Then add 1 to it plus 1, that it will form 2's complement. So what you will get? 1 plus 1, you will get 0, and then it will carry over 1, and then it will give 1 and 1, and it will give 0. If you don't understand the logic, then you can pause the video, then you can watch where I have explained the concept of addition, and when we get the two ones at the same place, then you will get understand this concept better. Okay, so now what you have to perform in the second step, what you have to do, you have to add this to the first number. All right, so always write from the number which is after from at the first position, then write to is complement at the second. Then what you will get in the addition, you will get 1, you will get 1, you will get 0, and you will get carry 1, then 1 1 1, then it will get 0, you will get carry. So this is the sum, this is what? Carry. So what rule third says, step 3 says that if you get carry, then you have to exclude carry bit, and the result will be the sum part. That is what? This will be the result. So result will be 1 1. Also you can check by performing by converting it to arithmetic forms, that is this arithmetic form, and then you have to uh, check that whether it is correct or not. Okay, and you have to show it in your assignment that it is whether it is correct or not. All right. Okay, so before moving forward towards our next method, or moving towards the next segment, so before that also, let me give you the second task of this segment, that is post complement subtraction. I need to give you a question. All right, assignment question. This is first question. First, this is second. What is the second question? Subtract 1 and then 1. And I think I need to change the pen. Then what is what? 1 1 0 0 1. All right, this is 1, this is 1, and this is what? 2. From From what? From 1 0 1 1 and this 2. All right, this is second question for your assignment. And you have third question also. Okay, third question is what? Subtract what? 1 1 1 subtract. Subtract this also, subtract. Okay, 1 1 1. All right, and 0, sorry, 0, and from 1 0 1 1 0 1 1. Okay, you have to perform this using 2's complement method. What? 2's com method I have explained well to you. You have to perform this. So now before moving forward, I have something to tell you. In the lecture third, okay, in the lecture 3, all right, at the time that is 18 minutes and around 54 seconds, okay, uh, there is a number, I have given you a question, and in that I have written the binary format for 2 as 101. Please correct it. It is not 101, it is 010. All right, thanks to that guy who have told me. All right, so please correct it in your answer sheets or wherever you have solved the question. So it will be it is 010, not 101. Okay, so now moving forward, what is the next option? That is multiplication. See, I will explain all the 4 operations in this video only, and from the next video I will tell you the concepts of the ASCII code, and also the I will change the chapter. Okay, so in that chapter you will be get to know the what in, internal structure of computer system. Okay, then I will move forward and I will tell you what I am going to explain to you. Okay, I will give you some questions also. Okay, so those who have not joined the Google Classroom, you will get a link in the description box. You will also get the link for Classroom. And second, join the Telegram group. Okay, Telegram group. You have to. You will get the link in the description box. Okay, check that out, and also please access the complete playlist. Okay, the playlist link is also given in the description box, so please check all these 3 things. That is what? First, classroom link, where you can submit these assignment questions to claim your certificate. Okay, last date to submission is 9th July. All right, then second is what? The telegram group link. Telegram group link. Okay, you have to join the Telegram group. And the third one is what? You have to access complete playlist. And please share this video with everyone. Please share and also subscribe. Okay, it is it's free, and in this free content you are getting, I think, the knowledge more than that you get from your universities also. So please share and subscribe. Okay, now moving forward, what we are having next? We are having multiplication. Okay, we are having multiplication operation. So it is quite similar to multiplication of arithmetics. Okay, so then what we will be doing here? There are some 4 rules: first, second, third, and fourth. Okay, first rule says when 0 into 0, see this combination you can also make. This is 0 1 1 0 and 1 1. I will show you when I will draw truth tables. I will show you how it forms. Okay, then this, and what you will get when 0 into 0, 0, 0 into 1, 0, 1 into 0, 0, and 1 into 1, it's always 1. Okay, there is no carry, nothing. Okay, then after that we have to perform addition, because in every general multiplication we get some number here, we get some number here, we then multiply, then we get addition. Okay, so here also we will be performing addition. So generally there are the four rules for the addition. In extra to that, there is one more rule which is derived from this fourth rule, fifth rule, that is when we will be having three ones instead of two ones, what we will get. So in general, tell me, when we add these two, then it will result in what? Zero. And then what it generates one as carry. Then when we then we add 0 to this one, then you get result as 1 and carry as 0. So when there are three ones, then you will get sum as 1, sum, and 1 as carry. Okay, all right, moving forward, let me explain this multiplication with an example. Right, so what you are given, have to multiply. What you have to multiply? You have to multiply 1010, binary number is this, and 101. All right, I think lecture is about and half hour and 15 minutes. Okay, so no problem. Okay, so how we can perform? See, write this like this, 10 and 10. Then okay, let me give some space also. So write like this, 1 0 1 0. All right, then 1 0 and this one. Okay, so now remember how you were told to perform multiplication. Just remember, you have to multiply this with this with this with this with this, and write in the first line. Then multiply this 0 with all the above four numbers and write in the second line, with leaving one space here. All right, and then in the and multiply this with all this and write in the third, leaving one space left of this and two space with respect to first line. All right, so here you, and then you perform addition. That's why I said addition rule is important here. Okay, like in the normal. So let us solve this. All right, so when you multiply 1 with this 0, then you will get 0. 1 with 1, then you will get 1. 1 with 0, this, and it's like this. All right, then from the second step you have to multiply 0. See, when you have 0, you have to multiply 0. Just blindly write zeros and the number of times uh, uh, the bits and contained in the first number. Okay, so you will get this. All right, this one space is left. Okay, then multiply 1, then simply write this number only. So 1. So now perform addition. See why I told you this rule, because sometimes it can give three ones, like when you have these ones, one here, one here, one here, then you have to perform that the operation with the last rule, that is fifth rule of addition. Okay, which is derived from the fourth rule, and I explained to you that how it came here. All right, so for this now it becomes 0, then 0 plus 1 is 1, and it is 0, and 1 and 1 addition 1, it is 0. Doing it directly, then it is carry 1 from here. All right, so this is carry. So what you will get, you will get 1 here and you will get 1 here. So multiplication is easy method to calculate this, and to also you can verify using that method. Just convert this into the decimal number, convert this into the decimal number, perform multiplication, and convert that into result into binary format, you will get this. All right, so I have two questions for you from this segment, assignment questions. All right, first question is multiply 1101 to 100. All right, then second question is multiply what 01101. All right, two. Think I have not told you the concept of decimal, so just leave it for this time, and I will explain you the concept of decimal numbers, that is real numbers. I will explain. All right, now let's move forward towards our next concept, that is division. All right, division. How we can perform division. Okay, so division also has some rules when we perform direct division. But we cannot directly perform division. Just like what we have other rules. See, 0 divided by 0, what it will give 0. But this is the meaningless. Okay, this is meaningless. Meaningless. Then 0 divided by 1. Okay, so it is meaningless and it will give result 0 because 0 can be divided by 1. 0 can be divided by any number except 0, because 0 divided by 0 it can give infinity. It is infinity. Then 1 divided by 0, we cannot divide it by 0, it will give 0, but the result is infinite. Again, impossible. What is infinite? Finite. Okay, so the fourth one result is, that is 1 divided by 1, and it will give result as 1. All right, but like this, these don't perform. We perform the arithmetic operations. All right, just like division arithmetic operation using the multiplication. All right, how we can perform that? Just remember the ordinary division method. So you have given that divide question, example question, that divide. All right, divide 101101 by 101. All right, so just like ordinary division method, you are writing right here, write 101, 101 and 1. Okay, and write 101. So just put these three bits below these three. What you will get this. All right. Then subtract each part from, means subtract this from this. So what you will get? You will get nothing. You will get nothing. All these will be cancelled out because this will form number 5. This will form number 5 and 550. It is 0 and 0 means nothing. All right. So then you will get what? 1, because it will goes down 1 time. Then you will get 1 bit here is 1. So you cannot subtract this from this. So you see the number of bits here and here must be same. So you have to take an bit down again. So you have to write 0 again, just like in the ordinary operations. You write zeros, then this, and again you have to take one disk bit more, again write 0, then subtract this, then write this 101 and perform subtraction. Then here also it gets cancelled. Get cancelled how many times? 1 time. So now then you just take this bit down. Okay, now we don't have extra bits. So what will be the result? The result will be this as the answer, and this will be your what? This will be your carry, remainder. Sorry, this is remainder. This is quotient. Okay, all right. I think you have understood the concept. Just take and convert this into binary, perform the logical arithmetic operation, and you can find that the result will be the same. All right. So assignment question for this topic. Assignment question is what? Assignment question is uh, first is perform 10 divided by 3. Convert that into binary format. That is, this is 10, is base 10, is base 10, 10. Convert it into base 2 and then perform divide. All right. So one question from this segment. Now, in this segment, okay, let me stop this video now. I think it is based on binary arithmetic operations. So I will stop here. Thank you. Please, once again, please check the description box. Okay, please check the description box. I'm writing it here. Please check this description box. All right, and please share, like, subscribe. Uh, okay, and please join all the join Telegram channel and classroom to submit assignment and to earn certificate. All right, certificate. So the last date for the assignment submission is 9 July. All right. Thank you, class. Please share, like, and subscribe. Okay, it's free of cost. Thank you.